Alright, we are going to get the head gaskets prepped. Got myself some of this fancy copper spray. So we'll take the head gaskets out and hang them up and spray them with copper spray. And then hopefully this video we should probably install the heads. So, at least hopefully. So, let's get this done. Do some work here. Alright, well, we got it sprayed. We'll just let those sit for a while. Yeah, this stuff stinks like pickles. I don't know why. It smells like fucking vinegar. So, and then we got shit ton of brake cleaner because I needed it. So, got brake cleaner for days. I gotta clean the shit out of these heads since they've been kind of sitting here in the open. Not good. So I just gotta get them cleaned up. Make sure there's nothing in them. But yeah. Now we just wait. We'll end up, we have to put new head alignment pins in the block. I got those in. And then, yeah, put the gaskets on and put the heads on and tighten them bitches down with the new bolts right there. So, yeah, I'll be back in a bit. Or, yeah, probably in a bit. So, if not tomorrow. But, alright, I'm out. Alright, well, got them cleaned up as best as I'm going to get them, I guess. They're smooth, so. But yeah. Look at them nice dirty heads. So. But yeah, so those are done. Now, all I got to do is put alignment pins in there. I ended up taking out this one. This was one that was sitting and stuck in the head. This is what I got to put in the block. Put those in, and then put the head gaskets on, and then put the fucking heads on. We'll be golden. So, these guys should be pretty dry. Well, they'll still be tacky, but yeah. Alright, let's get those head alignment pins put in and get the heads on. Alright, so I had to run and grab the head pins, but got this bag of goodies. So we got some ARP lube. And those came with, no, but so here's some cheap indicator lights I got. So I'll have to wire those up. Some ARP, what are those? Flywheel bolts. For measuring custom length push rods. That'll be in another video. Most of this stuff will be in a different video. Some more ARP bolts for the flywheel, or the pressure plate. And I actually had to buy 2 of these because I need 6 and they only come with 5. So that's pretty nice. Pretty nice ARP sticker because that adds power. And then this is what we needed right here. All gone. Put that up there. Alright, so then these are what we need. Head alignment pins. And we'll install these. Put the gaskets on. And put the heads on. And then torque them bitches down. I'm getting excited. I'm so excited. I mean, this video will be up pretty late, but I'm hoping to have the fiero running by like the end of probably by the end of this, no, not the end of this month, but like a month out. I'm shooting for 30 days, so, but all right, let's keep going. All right, heads are on. Hopefully, I'm not too screwed. I saw that it said that like one side's supposed to be up or some shit, but I couldn't see like the one. I put both the like white lines around the outside down. Should be fine, I guess. We'll just fucking send it. Cause imagine, yeah, fuck. Yeah, like these white lines I put down, facing down. It doesn't say anything on this one. Not sure. But yeah, hopefully it'll be good. Damn, that fucker's sharp. But yeah, so heads are on. Big thing that's next is I gotta get the lifters put in, and then put the rocker, like, I just got to put like these two on there and measure the lifters or the push rods so I can get those ordered. And then, yeah, once the push rods come in, then we're good to button up. But I think I'll probably have the motor put back on the cradle before then. I'm waiting on I got to still put the main seal in. I'm waiting on the tool and the main seal to come in the mail. But once that's on, then we'll put the flywheel and the pressure plate and clutch and all that stuff on. Then we'll make it up to transmission. Because we got to carry this. Because it won't exactly probably roll through the snow. So we're going to have to carry this into the shed. And then I still got to do water pump. And then figure out the alternator as well. That'll be in another video. I've got the crank positioning sensor coming, and the harmonic balancer is also on its way. So yeah, pretty much everything is on its way to get this thing buttoned up and finished. So, alright, that's going to be it for this one. Like, comment, subscribe. See you in the next one. What you doing, man? What you doing? Oh, now we're in trouble.